there were also reports that surfaced that Vice President Sara Duterte sought a meeting with President Bongbong Marcos to discuss her political future. Some reports even said that the Vice President would offer her resignation in exchange for her running in 2028. Now, the palace already, they didn't confirm nor deny this. But what are your thoughts on a possible reconciliation between the Marcos administration and the Vice President?
I don't think there should be any reconciliation. Ako, nagkataka rin ako bakit kinakailangan mag-reach out ang Vice President to the President samantalang tinakot niya na samantalang nag-hire na siya ng assassin against the President, against the First Lady, and against the former Speaker of the House. I mean, sa akin, what would be the what hindi ko na malaman ang pwede kong sabihin dyan, pero alam mo, nagkataka ko, ba't kinakailangan pa mag-reach out ang Vice President sa ating Pangulo with all of what has happened in the past? You see, yung kanyang pananakot, yung kanyang pagmumura, yung kanyang pagsasabi na nag-hire na ako ng assassin. Ano pa ang ibig sabihin nung she is trying to reach out to the President? Kung halimbawa man, merong ganyan. No? Pero sa akin, no, personally speaking, there should not be any reconciliation at all.